Hello everyone, thanks for joining shell scripting session. Okay, fine. So what is shell scripting? Shell scripting is nothing but automating all your day-to-day task. Okay, so if you learn shell scripting, then all the programming languages like Python, Ruby, Perl, everything is easy. Shell scripting is not difficult. Okay, so it is very easy to learn. Okay, so once you learn it, and then all the programming language which I said, Ruby, Perl, everything is easy for you. So throughout the session I am going to use my Windows system. As you know that shell scripting is based on Linux, but we can install the shell on Windows as well and execute the commands. Okay, so let me jump into any terminal, right click Windows terminal, and how to install the shell on Windows. Okay, just type wsl install. So if you do this, then you will be getting the Linux shell on your Windows system, but I have it already installed, so it will not install again. Okay, so it just says that how to execute the command. You just type wsl space install. I have it already installed, that's why it's showing this message. So once you have installed it, just type wsl again and push enter, and it will take you to the bash shell. Okay, I am on the shell now. So there are many type of shells available in Linux. Okay, let me show you. Cat etc shells, these many shells are available. Earlier it was sh, this is the old days used shell, and bash is the new one which everyone is using now. And there are many other types of shells are also available, dash, tmx or bash. Okay, but throughout this tutorial we will be using bash, the second one. Okay, so now you need to know where it is located. Just type which bash and it will show you on which location it is situated. Okay, fine. So I will just guide you how to create your first script. Okay, so you can, if you know something about Linux commands, okay, the basics of Linux commands, then you can just use it on this same terminal itself. But you want to use it in Visual Studio Code, okay, and you want to execute your commands over there to understand it better. So how do you do it? So first let me create a folder, separate folder, so that it will be easy for me to go and fetch all the scripts. Okay, let me type ls. There are many files already available. I will create a new folder as mkdir ors shell. Okay, let me jump into that folder, ors shell, clear, and I don't have any files. Okay, so now I'm going to create a first script, hello.sh. Whenever you see any file that ends with .sh, then it is a shell script. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new file, touch, push enter. You need to know about some basic commands of Linux, then it will be easier for you to understand the whole shell scripting. So I have created this file, I put ls, and then I will see it is created. So I can even try to edit the file on this terminal window, but I don't want to do that. I want to do it in Visual Studio Code. So from here, how can you get into Visual Studio Code? Just type code space dot. It will directly take you to the file where you are in on Visual Studio Code. You could see I am on hello.sh. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to create your first script. Okay, whenever you start, just start with hash and then bank symbol and slash bin bash. So you are just telling the script, this is where I am sitting. Okay, I am going to run it with the bash command. Bash is nothing but born again shell. Okay, so whatever the script that you write, you need to have this command in the front. Okay, fine. Now let's write a small script. It's going to be echo hello world, and then I save it. I minimize my screen. Okay, I commit. Oh, sorry, I have closed that. WSL. I have created a new folder, right? cd shell ls. So if you just cat out that file, you could see what I have written in the shell scripting. Okay, now if you want to execute this script, okay, to execute the script, just mention the file name, it will automatically execute for you. See, when I execute, it gave me the output which I have written in the echo command. So this is how you will be writing a script in hello.shell. You will have all your inputs, your variables, your booleans, your loops, everything. Okay, so just try to do it, and if you have done this, you are completed with the first script. Okay, all right, fine. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Bye bye.